My name's Kevin Helm, and I own a company called 2.54 Designs, and we specialize in doing custom commercial and residential furniture. So the inspiration for this design actually came from axe throwing, just seeing an axe sticking out of the target. I kind of like the visual of the asymmetry of the axe head versus the handle. I thought there could be something interesting there. And also, growing up with my older brother, he was constantly throwing things at me, and just seeing things get stuck in the drywall kind of led to the inspiration for the design. I wanted something that was functional. Obviously, you could tell what it is and what it's meant to do, but something that had kind of a couple of unique features to it. I think for anything with when it comes to generating new designs, it all starts with sketching, just pages of sketching, and then usually hit on that one idea. You just can't get it out of your head, and you just constantly refine that idea. Usually I'll just sit there and sketch ideas, choose my top three, and then try and pursue those a little bit further. So the one idea I had with that kind of the axe in the wall, once I had that sketch done, I just kind of made up a really quick wood model in the shop, kind of evaluated it to see if it was kind of what I was looking for. After I did that, I tweaked the dimensions a little bit by going into 3D software, mocked it up to what I thought it would look great at, then did a full-scale print, did more tweaks on the dimensions, and then kind of once I was happy with the general look, scaled the piece, then I went ahead and just did a really quick 3D print of it. I mean, they're close to each other, but there are modifications. And then in the end, I had to really consider, is like, well, how easy is this to make? Is it functional? Does it look good? As well as the big thing is how does the mounting hardware work with the back of the coat hook? So those are kind of all things I factored into the final design that I ended up with. Honestly, I think it's just go for it. For the competition, I submitted 2 designs. I did one design which was a little bit more unique, but I figured practical, easy to manufacture. And then I chose one design which I thought would be a little bit more unique, still practical to manufacture, but was a little bit more of a gamble. And you chose the one that was more of a gamble. So I was pretty happy about that, because that was the design I was a little bit more passionate about. I think the great thing with the Doug Market competition is there's no entry fee for the competition. So that really eliminates that financial barrier for students, someone that may be interested in design but doesn't have maybe necessarily the full skill sets to propose something, or even just general professionals. So it's like, it doesn't hurt to apply if you have the idea. It doesn't take too long. It's actually a really simple process. And yeah, you never know what can happen. So go for it.